Okay, so good morning to everyone. Now, today we will discuss about indeterminate form 0 into infinity. So, first we start with the basic definition. If limit x goes to a, f of x is equal to 0, and limit x goes to a, g of x is equal to infinity. Then to evaluate, limit x goes to a, fx into gx. We write fx into gx as fx into gx is equal to fx into 1 upon gx, or this is equal to fx divided by not 1 upon gx but 1 upon gx. So yeah, we can write this as fx into fx divided by 1 upon gx. It is same as fx into gx, or fx into gx is equal to gx upon 1 upon fx. Now, what is the meaning of these two? अगर हम एफ एक्स इंटू जी एक्स लिखते हैं पहले वाले फॉर्म से, एफ एक्स अपॉन 1 अपॉन जी एक्स, ये फॉर्म कौन सी हो जाएगी? यस एनीवन?
0.0.
यस इट इज, क्योंकि एफ एक्स की लिमिट क्या है? 0, और जी एक्स की लिमिट क्या है? इट इज इनफाइनाइट. सो 1 अपॉन इनफाइनाइट इट इज 0. So it is in the form of 0 by 0, and we know how we can solve 0 by 0 form. So if a function is in the form of 0 into infinity, so we convert it into 0 by 0 form. Infinity को हमने, infinity वाली लिमिट को हमने 1 upon gx कर दिया. Similarly, in second case, fx into gx is written as gx upon 1 upon fx. Now gx equal to infinite, as limit x goes to a, gx equal to infinite, and fx goes to 0, so 1 upon x, fx goes to infinite. So it become infinite by infinite form. And we know, if the function is in the form of infinite by infinite, then we use L'Hopital rule. So which is in the form 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite form as x goes to a. And then use L'Hopital rule. So we first write one note. The form infinity into 0, infinity into 0 0 into minus infinity or minus infinity into 0. Minus infinity into 0 can also evaluated in the same manner. Right? So if it is in the form of infinity into 0, then we can convert it into either into 0 by 0 form or infinite by infinite. So let us do one example. Evaluate limit x goes to 1 sin secant pi x by 2 into log 1 by x. Now put x equal to 1. अगर हम x की वैल्यू 1 पुट करें secant pi by 2 क्या होता है?
infinity,
Infinity. And log 1 0.
0,
So we find the solution. So limit x goes to 1 secant pi x by 2 into log 1 by x. It is in the form infinity into 0 form. Right? So what we do, we try to convert it into 0 by 0 form or infinite by infinite form. So limit x goes to 1, we write log of 1 upon x divided by 1 upon secant pi x by 2. So fx is equal to secant pi x by 2, gx equal to log 1 by x. So we write it into fx upon gx upon 1 upon fx. So because numerator is in the form, it is 0 when x goes to 1. So in next step we can write this is same as limit x goes to 1 log 1 upon x divide by cos of pi x by 2. So it is in the form of 0 by 0. Cos 0 is equal to cos 90 is equal to 0. So it is in the form of 0 by 0. So now applying L'Hopital rule, we get. Yes, anyone tell me what is the next step?
डिफरेंशिएशन करनी सर fx और gx की.
What is the differentiation of this log 1 by x?
over x multiply by x की पावर minus x की पावर -2.
So tell me what can I write? मैं आगे इसमें क्या लिखूं यहाँ पर?
-1 over x cube.
-1 over x cube. Okay. Any other student?
-1 over x square,
Okay. What is the derivative of log 1 by x? First differentiate log 1 by x. What is the derivative of log 1 by x?
x into 1 minus upon x square.
X into
Minus 1 upon x square.
no. पहले बेटा मुझे बताओ log 1 by x का डेरिवेट क्या होगा? आगे log
सर
x होगा इसका, है ना? क्योंकि log 1/x का log x का 1/x होता है, तो 1/x का 1/1/x, तो वो x हो जाएगा। फिर हम 1/x को डेरिवेट करेंगे, एंड वी नो दैट हाउ वी कैन डिफरेंशिएट 1/x, इट इज -1/x²। Is this point clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the differentiation of cos pi by 2x, pi x by 2?
Minus sin pi x by 2 into minus pi into pi by 2.
So, okay. So I write minus pi by 2 sin pi x by 2. So now cancel x with x. X and x cancel out, 1. So we can take this is equal to minus and minus cancel out. So we can write this at 2 by pi limit x goes to 1 upon x into sin pi x by 2. Now it is not in the form of 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite. So cos sin, when we put x equal to 1, denominator become, this is equal to 2 by pi into 1 upon 1 into sin pi by 2. And what is sin pi by 2?
1.
1. So we get this is equal to 2 by pi into 1 upon 1, that is equal to 2 by pi. Take 30 seconds quickly and revise this. Okay, so next is limit x evaluate limit x goes to 0, sin x into log x square, to log x square. So limit x goes to 0, sin x into log x square. When we put x equal to 0, sin 0 equal to 0, log 0 is not defined, it is infinite, so it is in the form of 0 into infinity. So can someone tell me what is my next step?
इसको 0/0 फॉर्म में लाना या इन्फिनिटी फॉर्म में.
But this is a rule. You keep this point in mind. हम क्या करेंगे, log को हम डिनोमिनेटर में लेके नहीं आएंगे, log को नहीं शिफ्ट करेंगे. we put log x square and we try to make other term, log के साथ जो other factor होगा उसको हम डिनोमिनेटर में लाएंगे. So we can write this is 1 upon sin x, and 1 upon sin x, this is nothing but it is cosecant x, log x square divided by cosecant x. Now it is in the form of infinite by infinite, and we know that if limit is in the form of infinite by infinite, a function is in the form of infinite by infinite when we apply L'Hopital rule. Applying L'Hopital rule, so this we get limit x goes to 0. What is the derivation of log x square?
1 upon
1
x square into 2x.
into 2
upon x square into 2x.
Into 2x. Divided by cosecant x.
Minus cosecant x cot
plus
x.
cos.
Cosecant x cot x. So this is equal to x and x cancel out. So we get limit x goes to 0. We can take minus 2 to be common. 1 upon cosecant x. So we can write this as 1 upon x into cosecant x into cot x. So we try, because cosecant 0 is not defined. So again, function is not defined, so we simplify this. We try to simplify this. This is equal to minus 2. Limit x goes to 0. We can write cosecant x as sin x upon x into 1 upon cot x as tan x. And this is equal to minus 2. Limit x goes to 0. Sin x upon x into limit x goes to 0, tan x. And sin x upon x is nothing but it is 1. We know that. Even you can apply the L'Hopital rule. It is 0 by 0 form, so you differentiate this, you get. And tan 0 equal to 0. So minus 2 into 0, and we get 0. So limit is 0. Now, next is evaluate limit x goes to 0 positive, x की power m into log x, where m is greater than 0. So the given function is limit x goes to 0 positive, x की power m into log of x. So when we put x equal to 0, it is 0, log 0 is not defined, so 0 into infinity form. So it is in the form of 0 into infinity. So what we do, we make it 0 by 0 and infinite by infinite. Because log is involved, so we try to make it log x upon 1 upon x की power m. And this is equal to limit x goes to 0 positive, log of x upon x की power minus m. 1 upon x की power m, it is x की power minus m. So it is infinite by infinite form. Now we apply the L'Hopital rule. Yes, tell me what is the next step? What is the derivation of log x?
1 upon
1
x.
upon x. And x की power minus m, it is minus m x की power minus m minus 1. So we can write this as minus 1 upon m, limit x goes to 0 positive, 1 upon x, x के साथ जब ऐड हो जाएगा तो it become 1 upon x की power minus m. x into, we can write this as 1 upon x into x to power minus m minus 1. Base are equal, powers are added. So we can write this as limit x goes to 0 positive 1 upon x to power minus m. And 1 upon x to power minus m is nothing but it is we can write this as x to power m. Now put x equal to 0. So we get minus 1 upon m into 0, that is equal to 0. So limit of this function is 0. Take 30 seconds and quickly revise this. Now example number 4. Evaluate limit x goes to infinity. Now limit is infinite. X into 10 1 by x. So when we put x equal to infinite, it become infinity into 10, 1 upon infinity is 0, 10 0 equal to 0. So it is in the form of infinity into 0 form. Infinity into 0. So we write this as limit x goes to infinity. This is equal to limit x goes to infinity. Even we try to put into another limit. Why? We can put x equal to 1 upon y. Or we put y is equal to, or x is equal to 1 upon y. So when x goes to infinity, y goes to 0. When x goes to infinity, y goes to 0. Right? So we write limit y goes to 0. X की जगह 1 upon y put करो. So we get it is 10y upon y. Right? Now it is in the form of 0 by 0. Now apply L'Hopital rule. Limit y goes to 0. Derivative of 10y is equal to secant square y, and derivative of y is 1 by applying L'Hopital rule. So this is equal to secant 0, secant square 0 by 1, that is 1. So limit of this function is 1. So you try exercise 4D. All the questions are similar. कुछ हमने इसमें attempt भी किए हैं, कुछ जो pending है, you can do. You try all these. Now next form is this article number 5. Indeterminate forms. रूट्स.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, previous question में हम tan y upon y डायरेक्ट 1 नहीं कर सकते.
Tan y upon y.
1.
Yes, you can write. हाँ, कर सकते. Yes, you can apply the formula.
Yes.
This is the limit. We know that limit x goes to 0, tan x upon x equal to 1. You can apply this. So indeterminate forms 0 की power 0, 1 की power infinity, infinity की power 0. How we can solve these? To evaluate limit x goes to a, f of x की power gx. It is in the form of function की power function, right? Fx की power gx, where f of x is greater than 0 for all x in deleted neighborhood a minus delta a union a comma a plus delta. It is in function fx is greater than 0 for all x in the deleted neighborhood of a as x goes to a. So when first part limit x goes to a, f of x, this is equal to limit x goes to a, g of x equal to 0. लिमिट x गोज टू ए एफ एक्स और लिमिट x गोज टू ए जी एक्स इक्वल टू 0, तो ये 0 की पावर 0 बन जाएगा. और सेकंड लिमिट x गोज टू ए एफ एक्स इक्वल टू 1 एंड लिमिट x गोज टू ए g of x that is equal to not defined infinity, then it become 1 की power infinity. और third limit x goes to a, f of x is equal to infinity and limit x goes to a, g of x equal to 0, then it become infinite की power 0. So in all these three cases जो indeterminate form होगी वो it is in the form of 0 की power 0, 1 की power infinity, infinity की power 0. तो कैसे इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे? To the following procedure is adopted. इन तीनों के लिए the following procedure is adopted. First, take y is equal to fx की पावर gx. हम फंक्शन को क्या लेके चलेंगे? y लेके चलेंगे. fx की पावर gx को we take y. Take log both side. Take log both side. We get log y is equal to log of fx की पावर gx, and we can write this as g of x into log of fx. How we can apply this? Because we know that log of m की power n, that is equal to n log m. So then applying limit, then limit x goes to a log y, that is equal to limit x goes to a g of x into log of fx is in one of the form 0 into infinity और infinity into 0. तो अब इसमें से जो इवेल्युएट करेंगे तो ये दोनों किस फॉर्म में होगा, या तो 0 इंटू इन्फिनिटी फॉर्म में होगा या इन्फिनिटी इंटू 0 फॉर्म में होगा, और इसको हमने अभी इवेल्युएट किया एंड कैन बी इवेल्युएटेड by the method explained earlier. Explained above. So now what we do, let limit x goes to a gx into log of fx. इसकी लिमिट कोई हमें let it be equal to some k. ये लिमिट क्या? यस साक्षी, साक्षी म्यूट योर माइक. So limit x goes to a gx into log fx, that is equal to, let it be equal to k. So then limit x goes to a log y, this is equal to limit x goes to, this is equal to k, because we evaluate this. And now let this be star. So star become limit x goes to a log of y equal to k. And this implies that, because we can write this limit x goes to a y is equal to e की power k. Logarithmic, it is a continuous function, so we can write this log of limit x goes to a y equal to a. So limit x goes to a y, that is equal to e की power k. And what is y? Y is limit x goes to a fx की power gx. So in this way we can calculate this, that fx की power gx is equal to e की power k. So we apply this method. What we do, we have three type of form, 0 की power 0, 1 की power infinity, infinity की power 0. इन तीनों में से कोई भी प्रोसेस, कोई भी अगर फॉर्म हो तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम fx की पावर gx को y लेंगे, टेकिंग log both side and we separate this. We apply the formula and taking the limit. लिमिट लेने के बाद ये 0 इंटू इन्फिनिटी या इन्फिनिटी इंटू 0 में से कोई एक फॉर्म बनेगी, और उसको सॉल्व करना हमने लास्ट आज हमने सीखा है, हाउ वी कैन इवैल्यूएट दिस. उसको सॉल्व करके हमें कुछ ना कुछ लिमिट मिलेगी, लेट इट बी इक्वल टू k, कोई लिमिट किया तो लिमिट x गोज टू ए log y हमें k के इक्वल मिलेगा. देयरफॉर लिमिट x गोज टू ए y इक्वल टू e की पावर k एंड y की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, सो वी गेट द लिमिट e की पावर. We apply this to solve some question related to this, right? So this is example number 5. Evaluate limit x goes to 0 positive x की पावर sin x, x की पावर sin x. x की पावर वी टेक 0 पॉजिटिव, राइट? हमने यहाँ 0 पॉजिटिव क्यों लिया? बिकॉज हमें फंक्शन एफ एक्स ग्रेटर देन 0 बताना है, होना चाहिए। इसमें देखो यहाँ पर कंडीशन दी है कि योर एफ एक्स मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन 0, फंक्शन 0 भी नहीं होना चाहिए। सो अगर हम यहाँ x गोज टू 0 लें तो उस केस में ये x जो है वो 0 हो सकता था, एफ एक्स की पावर जी एक्स। इसलिए हमने क्या लिया? लिमिट x गोज टू 0 पॉजिटिव, x की पावर sin x। सो इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 0 की पावर 0। किस फॉर्म में है ये? इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 0 की पावर 0। सो व्हाट वी डू, लेट y इक्वल टू x की पावर sin x। What is the next step? Taking log both sides. Log of y equal to log of x की power sin x, and we can write this as sin x into log of x. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Apply the limit. Limit x goes to 0 positive. Log y is equal to limit x goes to 0 positive sin x into log x. Now it is in the form of sin 0 equal to 0, log 0 is infinite, so it is in the form of 0 into infinity. और हमने उसमें we have already discussed कि log को हम न्यूमरेटर में ही रखेंगे, we shift the other term, so we can write this as log x upon 1 upon sin x. Log of y equal to this. Okay, so what is the next step? This is log x upon cosecant x, right? Now it is in the form of
Infinite over.
infinite by infinite form. So what we do? We apply
Apply.
L'Hopital rule.
L'Hopital.
Okay. So what is the derivative of log x? It is 1 upon x. And what is the derivative of cosecant x? It is
Minus of cosecant x into cot.
minus cosecant x into
Cot x.
cot x by applying L'Hopital rule. Right? So this is limit x goes to 0 positive. So again, when we write this as minus 1 upon x into cosecant x into cot x, so denominator become 0, cos 0, cosecant 0 is 0, cosecant 0 is infinite, but x is equal to 0, right? So what we do, we try to simplify this. We can take minus to be common. We can write this in a simple way, sin x upon x into cot x को हम लिखेंगे, we can write it as tan x, and we separate the limit x goes to 0 positive, sin x upon x into limit x goes to 0 positive, tan x. So limit x goes to 0 positive, sin x upon x is 1, and tan 0 is equal to 0. So directly we can write tan 0 equal to 0, and overall we get 0. Now लेकिन यहाँ ये 0 आने से आपका आंसर जो है वो इनकम्प्लीट है, क्योंकि ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या है? log y. ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या चल रहा है हमारा? लिमिट x गोज टू 0 पॉजिटिव, log y. Now this implies that limit x goes to 0 positive, 0 positive, y equal to e की power 0. So this implies that y की value put कर दो. What is y? X की power sin x, and e की power 0. This is 1. So this is the answer. Yes. Quickly take 30 seconds and revise this part. Okay. So let us do another example. Evaluate limit x goes to 0 positive, sin x की power 10x. So it is sin 0 equal to 0, tan 0 is also equal to 0. It is in the form of 0 की power 0. So let y equal to, yes, tell me what is my y? Y equal
Sin
to
x power
Sin
10.
x raised to power 10x.
sin x equal to 10x. What is the next step?
So
Taking
log
log both sides.
Log y equal to log of, so I can directly write this is 10x into log sin x. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Now apply the limit. Limit x goes to 0 positive. Taking limit, not applying, but taking limit. So we get limit x goes to 0 positive 10x into log of sin x. Now it is in the form of
0 into
0
0,
into infinity.
0, 0 into infinity. Okay. So what is the next step? Quickly tell me what is the next step?
Applying L'Hopital rule.
No,
f of x.
0 by 0 और infinite by infinite form बनानी.
yeah, you tell me what is the next step. It is
Log
correct.
sin x.
1 by 2
Log sin
Limit
x
x
log.
goes to
over
0
1 upon 10x.
ओके 1 by 1 एक एक करके बोलो, अदरवाइज इट मिक्स हो रहा है वो. log sin x upon 1 upon
x.
10x. Very good. So yes, one student tell me what is the next step.
Log sin x upon cot x.
Cot x. Okay, now it is in the form of
Infinity by
Infinite
infinity.
by infinite form.
what we do. What is the next step?
L'Hopital rule.
L'Hopital rule. Okay, tell me the step, right? Applying L'Hopital rule. So what is the next step?
1 upon sin x into cos x over minus cosecant square x.
Limit x goes to 0 positive. 1 upon sin x into cos x divided by minus
Cosecant square x.
cosecant square x. Okay. So we first simplify this. Limit x goes to 0 positive. We can write 1 upon sine as cosecant. 1 cosecant and cosecant cancel. So I directly write this as minus, it is sin x into cos x. You can check how it becomes. We simplify this and directly write this, right? Now we put the limit, because अब ये ना ही 0 into 0 by 0 फॉर्म है, ना ही 0 infinity by infinity है, ना ही 0 into infinity. So we directly put sin 0, cos 0, and sin 0 equal to 0, cos 0 equal to 1, so 0 into 1, it is equal to 0. Okay. Is it complete, or we have to do some more step? Yes, tell me quickly.
5
Log
को
of
exponential में
Yes, very good. So this is now next step is limit x goes to 0 positive. Y is equal to, we can take e की power 0. So this implies now we put y, value of y. What is value of y? Sin x की power 10x, and this is equal to e की power 0 is 1. So this is the limit of this function. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
yes
Yes. Quickly take 30 seconds. Revise this part. You have only 30 seconds.